So, hi friends, welcome back to our channel Learning with Ram. So, today in this video, I will talk on the very important point related to placement roadmap for 2027 pass out. So, अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स हैं, either बीटेक कर रहे हैं, बीसीए, बीकॉम और any means degree आप कर रहे हैं, and if you are preparing for the placement, then this video is for you. So, I will cover some of the important things and the important tips that you should keep in mind before starting preparation. And if you are in the final year, must comment here that you are from which region. Okay, so that I will get clarity that from what region basically students are watching our video. So इस वीडियो में बात करूँगा complete detail क्या रोड मैप रहना चाहिए, क्या रिसोर्स यूज करना चाहिए, एंड व्हाट आर द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी यू विल बी गेटिंग इन फर्दर updates. Okay, so first of all, let me just give you that this video is completely focused for the final year students. Okay, but if you are in third year also, then you can go through it. Now, what are the things or on what topics you should keep your basically goal? So main things you have to prepare, thus means just these topics. First, aptitude. So in aptitude, all things are came like numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. So aptitude आपको अच्छे से करना है, and for aptitude I will just share the preparation material. So beside that, the main things, if you are from the BTech background, then you have to focus on coding. Okay, if you are from the BCA background, then if you want you can do coding, but coding is very important for getting the good package, especially for the cracking TCS Digital, Cognizant, or some other like the JP Morgan or Microsoft and others. So coding will play a critical role, and that is the DSA. Okay, so I hope you are practicing the DSA too. Or okay, so if you have the means if you are the candidates who don't have much preparation, still you should watch this video, because अब भाई आप थोड़ा सा जागरूक हो जाइए. यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ द करंट मार्केट सिचुएशन, बिकॉज द करंट मार्केट सिचुएशन इज नॉट दैट एज इट वाज अर्लियर, लाइक इन 2021 और 2022. आपने सुना होगा सीनियर से, दे आर सेइंग दैट अरे भैया जस्ट learn about for loops, try to search the elements or try to just print the elements, you will get a job. Just make a small project, you will get a job. But now the market is tough, you know, the presence of AI. Now AI is doing the coding and AI is making the app, so you should be competent enough, otherwise you will be far behind in the race. Okay, I'm not fearing you, I'm just awareing you the current market situations. Okay, so aptitude आप अच्छे से करना शुरू कर दीजिए. And aptitude will also means if you will prepare for the TCS NQT 2027, then you will be ready for almost every job. Even you will be ready for some government job too. Okay, like aptitude में आपको न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, रीजनिंग और इंग्लिश पढ़ना होता है. एंड इसका प्रिपरेशन मटेरियल मैं अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगा, फ्री प्रिपरेशन मटेरियल. जस्ट ज्वाइन दैट ग्रुप, दैट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. Now let me tell you some of the important things that how you should practice the aptitude. So aptitude में ये आपको क्वांट, लॉजिकल, वर्बल तीनों करना होगा. वर्बल स्पेशली पैसेज, ग्रामेटिकल एरर, एंटोसाइनो and word rearrangement. These will play a critical role in your selection. And those who are basically practicing the coding questions, just go through our video, must go through the coding questions, then you will get clarity. Okay, because just practicing on lead code, you will not get the clarity that what type of question they are asking, especially NQT or Cognizant or Wipro or other MNC, how they are asking questions. So you should solve real questions, then you will be confident enough. Okay, so if you haven't started coding it, I know you are in the final year, but still many of the candidates are not taking the coding seriously. So start taking coding seriously and start up from the basics, like the array based questions, string based question, number based questions, mathematical puzzle. So I've already made a detailed sheet. So if you need the sheet, just comment here sheet, I will basically DM you. Okay, so that's the thing I want to tell, that practice daily at least 1 to 2 hours. Bhai, aap means most of the students, I think you don't need to go to the college in final year. So now you are getting so much free time. So utilize this time, make a proper schedule, proper plan, and you have to practice the aptitude. Like quant, logical, verbal के लिए आप भाई around starting में आप एक hour दीजिए. Then by the time just increase that hour. And coding you have to give at least 2.5 hours. I will suggest at least by 8 hours तो आपको स्टडी करना होगा. Okay, I know you are from the engineering background and many of the students forget about the self study, just watching and scrolling the reels and insta. So that will not work, friends, really. Okay, I'm telling you, because post getting the what can I say, post pass out na, your family will ask the questions, your society will ask the question, and someone asked the question that what was you doing in BTech if you will not get the job. So this is the harsh reality of this things. Okay, the way of speaking might be some harsh, so sorry about that, but this is the harsh reality of our society. So you have to work and just think about the time when you will get the job. Okay, I have already taken lots of students mock interview, and they are saying yeah, I got the job, and I will become very happy. And that's all you want. Okay, so that should be your aim and that should be your target, because once you will get a job, then you can enjoy your life. Okay, further. सो नाउ अभी भैया आप कुछ जो महीने हैं 5-6 महीने मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉलेज आई थिंक बाय अक्टूबर और नवंबर ऑन कैंपस प्लेसमेंट विल बी announced, and post Jan or post December also off campus be an announcement. So for that, just update, just subscribe us, you will get all those things here. Okay, means we'll provide complete guidance to you. Those who are following channel, I think you are aware of the things. Now resource, what are the resource you have to follow? You can follow both online as well as offline books. So you can purchase some book like RS Agarwal अगर आपको खरीदना है, but I will suggest don't waste your money in purchasing. But yeah, if you are not too much focused in online, means you might get distracted, or you might scroll your phone, then you can means purchase the RS Agarwal book. Otherwise, I will provide this PDF all the free of cost. So just go through that. I mean, there are lots of free present material I have, and I am also sharing to my juniors and others. So if you need also, just comment here whether you need or not, and you can go through some online resources. So there are lots of online resources are there, like textbook and other resources are there. So just practice from that. That is enough to get. One warning and one enough things, means one important things I want to tell all of you: don't get subscription, don't take subscription from any channel. Honestly, I'm saying, for cracking just 7 or 8 or up to 9 to 10 LPA, you need not waste your money in anything. You will get all those stuff free of cost, and you will get, means there are lots of content available in YouTube. So you can directly refer to that, and don't pay subscription like 400 or 500 to any channel, YouTube channel or anywhere, because it is just enough. But yeah, अगर आप focus नहीं है, then you should purchase it. Otherwise, means you will not get dedicated person. But अगर आप dedicated है, you know you don't want to waste your money, then you can just follow the YouTube channels and follow the online resources and free resources. That is enough. Remember, friends, enough means enough. Okay, I am also, means I have also gone through the phase which you have all, which you are going now. So I know the reality, what is that, and there are lots of scam going in the market too. You will pay 219 or 300 rupees, and they will provide nothing in the name of course. So that's the thing I want to tell. Now let me come to the coding questions. Coding first, at least try to solve 150 plus problem within this. 150 means you can also try just 80 plus question, but 80 plus should be quality questions. Means the logic should be different. You should learn the different concepts. So start from the basics like number system, print prime number, Fibonacci series, factorial. Then move to further, you can say complexity of the coding like array-based questions, uh, minimum step required to do that, or what can I say, bit manipulation. So all those concepts you can go through it phase by phase. Okay, don't start with graph or DP questions directly. Start from the basics like numerical based questions, prime number, factorials. Little bit फिर आप advance होइए like array based sorting, array based searching. So these are the questions you should go through it and practice contest if you want. Especially this is just for the those candidates who are very much serious, means those who know coding, then practice contest. Otherwise, if you are the freshers and means fresher in the terms of coding, then don't waste your time in contest. Solve the questions just okay. If you want, you can do it contest, because for contest you should be having better clarity of the DSA concept like stacks, queue, and graph based questions. So at least start now. Okay. So must comment here how is this video going on and how is your preparation going on. Or again कहता हूँ, we can connect on LinkedIn, और कोई भी query है you can ask, or the Insta or anything. So what are the resource you can follow? One of the best channel, that is the Striver. He's really amazing guy. Okay, he has posted lots of important video, and I have also followed him earlier. Okay, so his concept clarity, especially in English, is quite good. So if you know English and if you have better, means you can get in English in good way, then आप भाई स्ट्राइवर को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको हिंदी में देखना है तो आप लव बवर या किसी और को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज इफ यू आर फोकस्ड कैंडिडेट्स, देन नो नीड टू गो थ्रू ट्यूटोरियल और एनीथिंग्स. मीन्स नॉर्मल जो कोडिंग क्वेश्चन है प्राइम नंबर और पैलिंड्रोम में, उसमें आपको ट्यूटोरियल देखने का जरूरत नहीं है. बट अगर आप कॉम्प्लेक्स मीन्स थ्योरी समझना है, लाइक द डीपी, लाइक द ग्राफ, लाइक द minimum search tree, binary tree, then you have to go to the tutorial. You will get the clarity. And don't just watch the tutorial like the movies, like the Netflix series. You should watch the tutorial and you should practice the code. Then only you will get the clarity. Means you have to do hands-on. Focus on self-preparation and practice focused questions. Means मैंने बोला हूँ बार बार, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पे आपको नहीं जाना है, बट क्वालिटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पे जाना है. दैट्स द थिंग्स. ओके. सो इन द मीन टाइम ऑल्सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट्स पे आपको भाई काम करना होगा. बिल्ड एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स. आइदर यू कैन बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट ऑन मॉन और फ्रॉम AWS और फ्रॉम द ML. सो कोई भी आप एक टेक्स्ट है कुछ कीजिए, अच्छे से उसमें प्रोजेक्ट कीजिए, एंड यू शुड हैव क्लैरिटी व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाट आर things you are facing, what are the tech stack requirements, all those things you have to go through it. If you're from the CS background or if you want to get IT job, then you have to focus on DBMS concept, operating system, CN, that is computer network, and OOPS, object oriented programming. This is one of the most important topics that is asking or that the interviewer gonna ask you, OOPS concept. So prepare it well, utilize this time. Now you get the clarity, भाई आप लोग को बहुत कुछ करना होगा. Okay, so must comment here अभी तक आप इसके बारे में अवेयर थे कि नहीं. ओके, एंड इफ यू लाइक आवर वीडियो, लाइक दिस सो दैट वी विल गेट क्लैरिटी दैट या यू विल नीड दिस काइंड ऑफ वीडियो मोर. ओके, मैं अपने चैनल पे इंटर्नशिप भी अपलोड करना करते रहता हूँ, सो आप इंटर्नशिप भी शायद कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दैट विल basically boost your resume and it will increase your selection chances. Okay, so prepare for the interviews also. What I mean by saying prepare for the interview, you have to focus on your communication, because I've taken the mock interview of many candidates, and those who got the role like Prime and even Digital, they don't know how to communicate. The reason, because of our surrounding, you don't have surrounding enough to practice the English communication. So आप भाई अपने दोस्त के साथ इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं, या इंटरव्यू के लिए आप अच्छे से कीजिए प्रिपरेशन, मीन्स कम्युनिकेशन पे ध्यान दीजिए. यू शुड नो, बिकॉज जस्ट नोइंग द कंसेप्ट इज नॉट एनफ, यू शुड एबल टू एक्सप्लेन दोज कंसेप्ट. भाई आपको बहुत कुछ पता है, ग्राफ पता है, ये पता है, बट समवन व्हेन आस्क यू, देन यू कीप मम, you keep silent, then that will not gonna work. So focus on these. And other important thing, that apply off campus drive, be post job update so you can apply. Okay, means build a good LinkedIn connection, resume optimization, and stay consistent daily. Again saying friend, don't waste your time. आप चाहें तो मैं ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि आप कुछ इंजॉय नहीं कीजिए, इंजॉय कीजिए, बट मेक अ बैलेंस्ड प्लान. ओके, डोंट waste your time just with scrolling reels, Instagram, and just watching movies and all those stuff. Yeah, I'm not saying that you should not hang up with your friend. Hang up कीजिए भाई, but एक proper time, proper schedule के थोड़ा सा serious हो जाइए, because once again I'm saying, I'm repeating the same thing. Once you will get job now, then you can enjoy your life as we want. But if you will waste this time, then you will be in very difficult position. Many of the candidates are saying to me, भैया तेरे पास just 5 दिन है, 8 दिन है, how can I prepare? So you know very well that's not possible. Okay, so that's the thing I want to tell. So just a motivation line, if you can dream it, you can do it. So comment here that I am motivated or I am ready to begin. Must comment here, so that post getting the offer now you will get, or you will see your comment that मैंने ये comment किया था Learning with Ram YouTube channel पे, and yeah, I was following that things. So comment here that you will be practicing and you will make a good timetable and start the preparation for the placement. So these all things I want to tell. So yeah, you can do it. All the best. Go and start preparation today. And again, कोई भी query है, I am here to help you. I am, consider me as your big brother. And कोई भी query है, you can ask me at Insta, WhatsApp, Telegram और LinkedIn से आप कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. So I will prefer that Insta पे आप बात कीजिए, so that will be good. And LinkedIn पे just professional communication रखें. That's the thing I want to tell. And best of luck for your future preparation journey. Again, I will provide all those free preparation material on my WhatsApp or Telegram group, so you can join that. It will be really helpful for you. So just like the video and share the video among your friends so that they will also aware of this situation. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.